Welcome to the Municipal DataWorks training video, Set up a bridge inspection. In this video, I will walk you through how to set up the element groups and elements in the Municipal DataWorks Bridge Inspection module. This setup is required for you to input the bridge inspection results into the module. The steps shown in this video could be completed in the office before an inspection is undertaken, or if you have a long-range internet connection, the setup could be completed in the field at the job site. The bridge inspection overview video showed you how to navigate to this page. The bridge inspection module offers 3 ways to inspect a bridge. This was done in response to requests from users who indicated that OSIM is too rigorous an inspection for new bridges. A user can choose to inspect a bridge at the overall level, the element group level, or the element level. If you're going to complete an overall inspection, there is no need to set up element groups or elements. Likewise, if you're going to inspect the bridge at the element group level, there is no need to set up the elements. However, OSIM requires an element-by-element inspection, and this module has been set to automatically calculate a bridge inspection index value when an element-by-element inspection is completed. Otherwise, if you inspect at the overall or element group level, you will need to manually add the bridge condition index value. I'll show you how to add the value manually in the completing an inspection video.
Please note, for some newer bridges, the structural engineer may choose to inspect only the primary elements of a bridge, leaving the secondary and auxiliary elements for inspection at a future date. If that is the case, set up only the elements to be inspected this year and add those additional elements when it is time for their inspection.
For this example, I am choosing an element-by-element inspection, and to keep the video short, I'm creating 2 element groups and 2 elements within each element group. Click Add under the Element Group Inspection heading. Select the element group from the pick list. If you are inspecting the element group, you could add the geometric details and complete the inspection of the element group and input the values for excellent, good, fair, or poor. But seeing that I chose to inspect at the element level, click Next, and click Next again. Select the next element group you wish to inspect. In this example, I want to inspect the deck, so I select the element group Deck. You will notice that the element group Abutment has disappeared from the pick list. This is done to prevent you from selecting the element group twice. Click Next. Now you must add the elements to be inspected under each element group. Click on the element group name. Click Add under the element inspection title. I want to inspect the element abutment wall. Unlike the element group, at the element level I can create the same element multiple times. Therefore I need to make a decision. Will I inspect both abutment walls as one element, or will I inspect each abutment wall individually? If I choose to inspect the north abutment separately from the south abutment, I need to add to the element ID generated by the module the extension north. If you are setting up this page in the field and have the measurements for height, width, etc. of the abutment wall, you can enter that data now. You can inspect the element, selecting the unit of measure, and input the values for excellent, good, fair, or poor. The corresponding units must be populated for the unit of measure selected. Click Next. Click Add and select the abutment wall again, this time adding the extension south. Add the geometric values and complete the inspection. Click Next. Doing this has allowed for the inspection for each individual abutment. Click on Deck under the Element Group heading. Click Add, select the element you wish to inspect, and click Next. In this case, I'm choosing Deck Top. Click Next. Click Add again and select the next element. In this example, it will be soffit thick slab. If you want to inspect the interior or exterior soffits, follow the steps above that I walked through for the abutment walls. That completes the setup. You are now ready to inspect the bridge. The next video will walk you through how to inspect each element. When the next biannual inspection is required, the module automatically brings forward the setup from this inspection. You can add more elements to the next inspection if you wish, or continue to inspect only the elements identified in this inspection. Generating an element also creates an asset record for the element with a relationship to the parent asset, in this case Bridge 500.